one's here. Oh, package. Wonder what it is. I don't remember ordering anything. Here it is. Finally got it. Wonder what it is. Let's open it up. I already taped it because someone already opened it. Ooh, what's that? Oh my goodness. It came. Oh yes. Rubik Cube. Original Cube 4x4. This box anymore. Okay, I opened some of it. I haven't seen this thing at all. Ooh. That feels nice. Okay, let's look at the packaging. Ha, got you there. Okay, here's the packaging. This is Rubik's. This is one player. One player. This is by Winnie Move Games. Classic retro. Cool and fun. Winnie Moves. The Rubik's Cube 4x4, it's also known as Rubik's Revenge, was launched 20 plus years ago, and it's now a classic. Step up to the next level. Unlike the original 3x3 cube, the 4x4, it's not fixed center places, like center plate, like the first one, like moved to the challenging solved. Ooh. Okay, you know what year it came out? Guess. 1982. Wow. Amazing. There it is on the back. It's Rubik's Cube by 4x4. Now you want the cube, don't you? Let's do it. Here it is. Rubik's Cube 4x4. Tiles. Wow. Here's orange, parallel to red. Yellow, parallel to white. Blue, parallel to green, sorry. It moves pretty good. The only thing real problem with it is a little stiff. And you love that noise. It moves like, it's not for speed solving, for like beginners like I am. It's like weird mechanism. You can do that. It's really weird. What the heck? What? Trying to do checkerboard. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Okay. I'll be back. There's a checkerboard for you. Strange. Okay. It's all solved now. Hope you like the review. And go buy your 4x4. Yeah. Rubik's. Focus.